Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Bullet's Wireless Z2 and their case have enough charge. Low battery blocks pairing. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and keep the Bluetooth settings screen visible so you can confirm connection. Open the charging case or press and hold the earbud's power/pairing button to force pairing mode. This is the trigger the headset uses to advertise itself. Make sure no other nearby devices are actively trying to pair simultaneously, so the Z2 appears reliably. You now look for the OnePlus Bullet Z2 in your phone's device list. It shows up only while advertising, so keep the case open or button held. Tap the device name to begin pairing and accept any on-screen confirmation or permission requests because some phones require them to complete the link. After pairing, listen for the earbud voice prompt or check the LED status. These confirm a successful connection. If you plan to use media, play a short sound to verify left/right channels and microphone routing. You finish by ensuring the Bullet Z2 are selected for both media and call audio in Bluetooth settings so sound routes correctly. If pairing fails or the earbuds behave oddly, reset them by holding the power/pair button for about 10 seconds to clear previous pairings, then retry. Make sure to forget the device entry on your phone before a fresh attempt. If problems persist, move away from crowded Wi-Fi or Bluetooth zones and retry, since radio interference can prevent reliable pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.